Hi all, I'm Sri Aashritha Sabbineni, studying in Veltech University, final year of BTech 17 to 21 batch. These are my teammates Vaishnavi and Tejasri. This video is going to go about my major project which I have done in Capgemini Internship. We have supervised under Dr. D. Umanandini ma'am, Associate Professor in our college. Let us see what is NGO. Because my project is related to NGO, we are going to see what is NGO actually. NGO is a non-governmental organization. It's a non-profit citizen-based group that functions independently of government. As you all know that NGOs are organized on local, nation, and up to the international levels to serve specific socials and types of NGO. Operational NGO, which focus on development project, and advocacy NGO, which are organized to promote cause. Let us see what are the modules they have given us. Admin module, donor module, employee module, needy people module. Actually, we are going to develop a portal for these NGOs. Any NGO, under the specifications they have given, these are the front end pictures after doing the project. This is the home page. This is the login buttons we have. And next, let us see the logins. Admin login, employee login, donor login, needy people login. To develop this project, backend we have used Spring Boot, Postman, and VLC Visual Studio Code. And in front end we have used React.js software and Bootstrap and all. Let us see the specifications we need and the software we have to download. Hardware specifications you can see as above, and software specifications are given. Okay, let us see the Spring Boot project which we have developed. Here you can see with the Spring tool suite is for. Before going to download the Spring tool, first of all you people have to have this PostgreSQL, and this is PSQL. This PSQL have specific port and username and password. I will log into my account. Yeah, perfectly I have logged in. You have to have this one to after before downloading this. This is the Spring tool source 4, and after creating a Gradle project in this, we have to go to this test Java. No, I'm sorry. This SRC main resources and application properties. Here you have to change the Postgres username password. As you all know, my name is Sri Aashritha, my password is this, and again this is the setup. Next, before going to develop a project, you have to know what are the things you have to do first. So these are the packages we have in the project. First, we are going to create an entity and model for the project. So what is entity? You can see here there are many entities in my project. So let us take one particular module. When we select an needy people module, here you can see needy people entity. So in needy people entity we have their needy person ID, person name, phone, family income, password, and we have set get all needy people one to many. So here we have given the relations between the attributes, and the entity, which entities we have given here will automatically create table in this PostgreSQL. You can see the tables present here. You can see all the entities are present in this. So first we have to create entity. Next we have to create model. These are the same models we have as entities, and after creating the models you have to create the exceptions you need in this project. You can see these are all exceptions. Let us open this no such donation exception. You can see this is the code for no such donation exception. These are all the exceptions we have created to create this project. And after creating exception, we have to create this DTO and repos. What are this DTO and what is this repo? DTO in the sense data transfer object, and the repo in the sense repositories. You have the particular module people had created the repos and the DTOs. After creating this DTOs, you have to include them in this services. You can see here we have n number of services, and for in this services also, firstly we have to create an iAdmin service in the sense iService, and we have to create admin service implementation in the sense implementation service. First we have to create I, and after we have to create implementation. Let us see if this iAdmin service. You can see in iAdmin service you have given this public boolean add employee, public employee model, modify employee. These are some functions which we have done by the given instructions. Let us see admin service implementation. As you can see here, we have included the admin repo and employee repo which we have created earlier, and we have included the functions we have declared in iAdmin service. Here you can see public boolean add employee is a function which we have declared in iAdmin service, and we also here we will write the actual code in the sense the if conditions, what actually the user types and what actually the backend takes. Here we will write all the functions. Now I think you get an idea how it actually works. And we also have EM parser in the sense it will collide, it will merge the model and services. Model and entities. Here you can see admin entity and admin model, employee entity, employee model, which I mean who has in the sense who whose attributes and whose modules has both entity and module, they will be included in this em parser. Let us run this and see what actually happening inside. Yeah, the code is actually running. Yes, it's completed. You can see this console. After opening this console, everything is perfect and started NGO donation portal application. The application has started. In this, we also have test cases in SRC test Java. In this package, we have 4 modules, 4 test cases. At most, we'll have 20 test cases in our project. We have developed according to their instructions, in the sense the need they have given us. You can see here are the 3 4 at most of 6 test cases we have written for particular functions. Just we'll run this test cases and see what actually happened. JNO test case. You can see there are 21 test cases and there are 0 errors and 0 failures, and it's still running. Yes, 21 or 21 had run and there are 0 test cases and 0 failures. This is the backend code in the sense in the Spring Boot Spring Tool suite we have developed. This is the backend code. After doing the Spring Boot part, we should continue to this Postman. We have already declared in the Spring Boot in APIs, like if we want to insert, we have already give any data we should insert through this Postman. We have already given URLs in this APIs. So let us take one module. Let us take this needy people module. And this module, the URL is needy/needy, and now we are going to add some needy people, like add needy people is the next URL. It's localhost 8091, and we all copy paste this, add needy people. You should see it's a post method or get method or put method, delete method, which method. You should keep the current method here. Now let us recheck this URL. Is it add needy people or not? And next, you should as we are going post method, we have to keep in this raw, and this is the URL we have. I already copy paste this. We have to write this actually, and after we have to send. Yeah, it's showing something like address ID, still exception like that. Once again, I have gone through anything wrong in this. It's saying something error. Let's see this. Yes, actually, I have missed this address here. True. It's showing true because in this postman we have given in service as boolean. When we are registering a needy people, we are given this boolean, so in postman it is showing true or false. This is the type we have to enter the data in this, and let us see another one. Let us see another module like donor or employee. Let us add add on a employee in admin service. In admin service, only admin can add employees, right? So let us add an employee now. Okay. Let's find the URLs for this add employee one, admin controller, and add employee. Yes, NGO employees is the first. We have to copy paste and next add employee. So let us change this, and here we have double slashes. We have to remove it, and yes, add employee. Yes, employee is also same. We have to remove the needy people attributes and we have to copy paste the employee one. It's better if you have already pasted required things in a notepad. It is easy to copy paste whenever you need. I guess I have missed my employee. Yes, it's there. So let us change this because it's already have been there. Employee name Banu and the username. I think it also have password. Come. Yes. Address should be second, and let us send this. True. It's giving us true. Let us see in SQL is data is inserting or not. We have inserted in needy people, right? So let us see what inside the needy people is. Yes, we have inserted this needy people like Aashritha behind. This is there in this, and let us see if we have this employee actually. Yes, We have inserted the Banu and it is inserted. So this is the part of Postman. Like this, we have to check this URLs in this and we have to implement here. Let us see. The next part of the project is Visual Studio codes. So this is the Visual Studio code. We have Visual Studio, and here we have to create a project using React.js, and we have to download some in terminal. We have to download some statements in this, and these are the components we have. And here in store we have actions and reduces. In actions we have a particular modules. So let us see if needy people action. In this needy people action we have we connected this 8091, in the sense Postman. We have connected this Postman to this Visual Studio. So now we are going to see the website. By running this, in this we have dumped Bootstrap and React.js softwares and all. We have inserted by using some statements here. You can check in the Google. Next, I'm going to start this project. Here you can see admin components and all all as there. And let's start the component. Let's start the NGO portal. CD NGO app, like npm start. These are some basic commands which starts our project actually, and it's running. Yeah, starting the developer server. Yes, it's loading our project. On time being, we will see now what we actually have here. Yeah, I think it has come. Yes, this is the front end of the project. You can see front end in the home page. We have kept the slides. These slides were actually created by using this components and pages and home. Yes, this is the method where we have created the slides. This is a code for creating a slider. We had to use this slider and all. For a particular thing we have created this, we have used navbar, and this is our about page, and this is our blog, this is our contact us, and these are the logins which I have shown you, and these are the signups. Let us see the logins. As you can see, if you log in into a needy people login, like actually we have given in Postman. Let us log in and see. These alert messages you will keep in this Visual Studio. Actually, needy people, they only have to create requests. So we are creating a request like create request as me. And yes, it has submitted, I think. Now let's go out. Log out. After logging out, we will come to home page. Let's log in into employee and see what actually in employees. Okay, these are all employee can access. They can, let us see all needy people. Yeah, this one we have inserted recently Aashritha, and this is the first one I have inserted. Here you can see view. These are the details of the person too, and you can delete the particular one. Delete. All these operation codes are written in this Visual Studio. Yeah, that one is deleted. Next, go back. All donation, all donors. You can see all the things happening in NGO. Let us go to logins and let us go to admin login. Yeah, this is all employees, create employee, create admin. These are all things we have. Let us see all employees. Yeah, we have inserted Manu earlier. It came, and Aashritha is the first one before I have inserted. We can view, we can update the particular employee details, and we can delete. These are the things, and let's go to login again. And if you go to again, we have seen admin employee, and let us go to donor. The username password you should not forget, because you have to log in again. So add donation. Donor have to add any donation. Let us say one donation ID 1, I mean 11, because we have donation IDs as level 12. Amount as something 50,000. Let us select the date as today's date. Donation type is books. ID is 1. Item ID is 11. So your donation ID can be 1 or 2. Okay, we are adding the donation. Need to see the donation as added or not. You can keep alert messages for every submit button also. All the donations can be seen by employee. Let us log in again and see if the donation has came or not. Yeah, all donations. Yes, donor have came. I have don't have donated right now, so the donor have came. Yeah, this again we have sign up, and again we can give our details here, and we can sign up through this, or we can give in postman, and we can sign up there. Yes, that's it. This is a project, and thank you.